Sure. Well, first and foremost, firefighters, we've built a culture in our organization that nothing bothers us. We cite the saying of we can tough it out, we can deal with anything, but at the end of the day, we have to remember and we have to recognize that we're humans as well. Going back, 20 years, even 10 years ago, you almost felt that you weren't able to say that because you'd be looked down upon. Oh, this person isn't tough enough. This person doesn't have what it takes to be a firefighter. And if I separate my shoulder, I'm going to rehab it. I'm going to ice it. I'm going to take time off. Well, we should be doing the same thing as it relates to our mental health. We have to recognize that it's okay to say, we're not okay, or I'm not okay, or I dealt with this tough incident and I'm just not feeling how I should be. My number one mission as a Claremont Fire Chief is to make sure every member gets home safe, both physically and mentally. And for so long, we focus solely on the physical part of it. Part of my mission now is to bring in mental health, because if someone isn't mentally sound and feeling good in their own headspace, they're not going to be the best firefighters that they can be. So I thought, what can I do to make that easier for the members to get help if they need it? And it was a simple reach out to the fine folks at Liven. Together, we can make sure that we have another tool in our toolbox that members can turn to should they need help or assistance. A 10-minute or a 15-minute or even a 5-minute, just something just to get my mind back to where it needs to be. What's more important to me as a chief is not just being good firefighters, but being good people. That's the culture we need to start moving towards.